Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You get going by opening Roblox and joining a game with chat enabled. Once in, press Windows key plus period to open the built-in emoji panel. This is faster than copying. Make sure your keyboard and language settings support emoji input so characters render correctly. Next, confirm chat is enabled in Roblox settings. If it isn't, toggle it on. These steps prepare the environment so you can insert emoji immediately inside the Roblox chat box. With chat open, click the text field and reopen the emoji panel. You'll see categories and a search field. Type a keyword to find an icon faster. Once you select an emoji, it inserts inline. Press Enter to send or Shift plus Enter to add a new line without sending. If you want non-standard symbols, copy Unicode or custom characters from a clipboard manager and paste them into chat. This lets you use a wider set of emojis beyond the panel's defaults. Finish by sending your message, and if you reuse certain emojis, save them in a quick note for faster copy-paste later. If your emoji appears as a blank box or question mark, it usually means missing font or Unicode support. Update Windows and install supplementary fonts, then restart Roblox to reload characters. Once done, test emoji in a private server to confirm. If problems persist, clear cache and ensure both Roblox and your OS.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.